Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Monday heard the PIL suo motu taken on the issue of illegal structures across Goa. The High Court during the hearing noted that over 120 village panchayats have not filed the compliance report as directed in March 2025. The High Court terming this non-compliance of the order as dereliction of duty has directed Directorate of Panchayat to inquire into that under which circumstances these Panchayat secretaries have not filed the compliance report. The High Court has further directed the Directorate of Panchayat to inquire into the matter and take appropriate action against those erring village Panchayat secretaries for dereliction of duty. The High Court directing the Directorate of Panchayat to take appropriate action within 4 weeks. The matter has been now adjourned for further hearing on 4th May. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.